Yeah, how to start goat business. Yeah, this one all take us to what? The quality of the breed. Because for you to meet the demand of a population or the market, make sure you have constant supply. Now, constant supply meaning you have what? Constant production. Now, there are a lot of things when you're doing constant production. Make sure you avoid things like the inbreeding, make sure you do natural synchronization, make sure you have a good number of bucks, a good number of female. That's when you can what? Start the goat meat business. Then also looking at the market itself, especially within our locality, we have good hotels, we have the bushers, we also have generally the local market itself. This one, the consumption of meat is always very high. Remember, in a day, if someone is able to slaughter like around 5 to 10 goats, meaning the number of bushers here in West Nile were able to finish like what? Over 100 goats in a day. Okay? So the market is always there. Yeah. But what is important is the production, the flow of the production, making sure you manage that. If you can manage your disease, you can do your vaccination in time, then you're ready to what? To meat. Because if someone wants supply, basing on the texture of this meat, you realize that sometimes the demand of this goat will be regular and also should always be available. So if this person needs the goat and is not there, meaning you have started failing your promises. So meaning next time is going to go for another customer. Making sure when you're starting this, it is part of a value addition. Yeah? Or you can even do it yourself. You start your own busher. You start your own busher. Once you start your own busher, you can also do your hotel yourself. Then you start slaughtering and you sell for this for your customers. That's another way you cannot do your goat meat business. Then you can also start a roasting point. Yeah, like you start a roasting point. Like I have a certain friend here who is doing, it's called Bashir. He's now doing that. So meaning you can do that and you reach your target. Thank you.